Princess, what happened?
Look, someone's after me. Just drive. Go. Come on.
Turn the engine off! Go now. Go! Lord.
Since when does an ambassador carry a gun?
You live in dangerous times, Princess. Now tell me, what happened? Who was that man who was chasing you?
I don't know. No, why did you shoot him?
He was chasing you. How was I to know? You should have let me go into the building with you. For God's sakes, Princess, what happened up there?
It was an incident.